Hello everyone. Next we are going to use our hand for shaping this rose, and then we're going to detail it by making some stems and the petals in between. After it's ready, we are going to make two leaves on both of the side. After that we are using red color for coloring our rose and the green color for coloring the stem and the leaves as well, and it is ready. Next, we're gonna make a ship in the ocean. Starting by making the body of the ship, we're gonna make some details like flags and the windows. Then we're gonna make some birds, and now you can color it with variety of colors as per you want. Next, we are going to make a cactus. Using our hand first, we are going to make the body of it. Then we're going to make the plant on which it is standing. Then we're going to detail it from between. After it is ready, we're going to give it a cute expression like this. Now we are going to color it by using the green color pen. You can use any kind of color you want or any color combinations you want. For the pot, we are using brown and dark blue color for it, and it is completed. Next, we're going to take a white paper and then folding it out like this. Then we're going to draw a circle by using any support. Then we are going to make the strings of this bacteria. After that, we will give it a naughty expression like this, starting by making the eyes and the big mouth with long and sharp teeth. After that, we're going to open the paper and then we're going to join both of them together and then making a long tongue along with it.